how to show the player on your lock screen underneath the clock itself for your Galaxy A15 smartphone. And let's get started. To enable the setting to have your player show on the lock screen, whether it's the Samsung player or any other music player that you install from the Play Store, use the quick panel access here like that. Go into the settings. And when you're in the settings section here itself, as you tap on it, make sure you tap on it. Don't do it like me. You'll go into the lock screen. Okay, so go to lock screen right here. And in this section here for the lock screen, go to where it says widgets right there. Okay, now if you enter here, once you tap on it here, now you're gonna see the widgets option here show up, all the widgets there, and you'll see the player show up right here. So make sure it's turned on, and when you tap on it here, it's going to appear like this here, and you can adjust the transparency as to how visible it is or not so visible. Okay, now once you're done with all this here, if it's not the Samsung player you have at the moment, maybe it's another player app, just make sure, of course, you actually are in the player app itself and you have a song currently playing so that you can, see that there on the lock screen. So let's say I come out of here, I press my power button now, and I'm back on the lock screen. The player is going to now show up here for me. Okay, one of the cool things to note is you have your media output here. If you tap on that here and your screen is not locked, it's going to take you here and you can switch it over to the phone itself, or if you have a connected device, it'll switch it over to that. All right, so like and sub.